Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You already have a project folder. Now start by creating index. HTML and styles. CSS, open index. HTML, and inside the head element, add a link tag. Link rel equals stylesheet href equals styles. CSS, so the browser loads your CSS. Next, annotate an element with a class or ID. Use class equals card or ID equals main, because this gives CSS a target. Once done, save both files and refresh the browser to check the linked stylesheet is requested. Use developer tools to confirm the file loads. Now you will write actual CSS rules in styles. CSS. Start with simple selectors, body font family, sans serif, then add card background, #FFF, padding, 1 rem, and #main max width, 800 px. This shows tag, class, and ID usage. Make sure to use property, value, pairs, and terminate each with a semicolon. That prevents parsing errors. Once done, group selectors with commas to share rules, and raise specificity with more specific selectors if earlier rules don't finish by handling advanced cases and debugging. Add responsive rules using at media queries so layouts adjust at breakpoints, for example at media min width, 600 px. Card padding, 2 rem. This keeps design flexible. If you import fonts, place them before your rules so they apply. Make sure to clear the browser cache and hard refresh when changes seem missing. If styles still don't apply, inspect the element to check the file path, rule specificity, and whether another stylesheet is overriding your rules.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.